How to fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth connectivity issue on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. In this video, I will show you 5 different methods to fix the Bluetooth not working on a Samsung device. First method is the turn the Bluetooth off and on. So swipe down the notification panel, tap on the Bluetooth icon to turn it. If on, just toggle off. After the 5 seconds, again toggle on it and check nearby device and try to pair it with. If you still facing the issue, apply the second method. Hit the restart your Samsung device. To restart your Samsung device, swipe down the notification panel from the top, tap the power button icon, tap the restart, tap again to restart your phone. After restarting your Samsung device, turn on the Bluetooth and try to connect with another device. Third method, unblock pairing request. This is the new settings only available on your Samsung S25 Ultra or S25 series. So make sure any device not enter in the unblocking request. So go to settings on your device, tap on a connection, tap on a Bluetooth. Make sure to go on the Bluetooth on your device. Tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap on advanced settings. Here you can find the block pairing requests. Tap on it. Make sure your device and not enter in this list. Otherwise you can't connect with the Bluetooth device. Pairing request from the device below will be blocked. So make sure your device not in this list. Go back. Fourth method, remove or unpair the connected Bluetooth device. If you find any Bluetooth device connected on your device, you can check it by available device. Here you can find the Bluetooth connected device. If available the device, you can remove it from your form and connect it with the other. Here you can see the no device found. So if you found any device, just tap on it and tap on the unpair button. That will available on the bottom right corner if available on your device. And the last method you can use is to reset the Bluetooth setting to factory default. This is the last option to fix the Bluetooth issue on a S25 Ultra or any other Samsung device. To reset it, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to general management, tap on a general management, again scroll down, tap the reset, again scroll down. Here you can find reset Wi-Fi and a Bluetooth setting, tap on it. Now here you can find the reset setting option. This will reset all your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. So when you tap on a reset setting, it will remove all Wi-Fi connected or Bluetooth paired on your device. You need to pair again your device. So tap on a reset setting to reset Bluetooth to default setting on your device. Here we select reset settings. Now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting reset message show. So this is the last method you can use. If you still facing the issue, contact the Samsung support team. That's it. If you like it, share it.